You can make sense of a brand's positioning by using a positioning map. So in new product development, a business would use this to look at where they want to position themselves relative to the competitors in their market space. So they'll present how consumers perceive a brand or a product or a service in relation to competitors. So there are typically two axes. Each axis represents a specific and important attribute for the brand. So if you're a marketer for a brand, you would use either proprietary data from your own customer base or access secondary data to accurately inform the positions you place your competitors on the map. And that then allows you to consider where your brand belongs on the map, and then think about what strategies need to be implemented if you want to reposition your brand, for example, if you're going through a process of change. But indeed, what strategies need to be used in order to successfully sell to your customers. So what you see on the map here is a visual of different higher end fashion brands. You can see that there's considerable saturation clustered in the prestige exclusive space. But Gucci, for example, commands a dominant position in a mass market prestige brand. And Gucci has diversified its heritage as a luxury brand to increase its revenue by repositioning itself as a more accessible luxury brand in recent years. So you see how it's got a sense of dominance in that space on this particular map. And this represents the process of positioning that would follow your segmentation and targeting strategies. When I mentioned market segments earlier, I talked about the whole orange and then the orange segments, the whole orange being the total addressable market. What you've got to remember with that is the marketing mix must reflect the size of the total addressable market for any individual segment. So if you take this example here, you've got the market for digital cameras. You've got the whole mass market, which will be interested in the basic lower priced point and shoot. And then you start to get different market segments that are smaller, that have specific needs. So you've got on the left the market segment that is interested in a compact portable size, and then on the right you've got the market segment that's interested in having better quality photos from the machine. You can then start to add in market niches. So you've got on the right hand side that market segment that had an interest in higher quality photos. Then you've got the niche within that which are interested in professional level photography. Now the price of the products will be reflective of the size of the market segment. So it's not just about how much does it cost to make a professional spec camera, but the size of the market is smaller and more exclusive and has a greater desire to engage with the product. So that price is reflective of multiple things in the process, the marketing mix reflecting the nature of the market segment. And then here's an example of micro market niche where you've got the amount of people interested in a waterproof camera so small. So the price is going to be proportionately far higher for that product than is the cost of production.